welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like kind of fuzzy textured text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in something else. You can also change the font if you like to here. It is totally up to you. Maybe like this one or this one. Just make sure it's kind of bold so you can see the texture of it. Just trying to find one that I like. Maybe this one. Oh no. I'm trying to find a font that I like. Sorry, it's gonna take some time for me to do that. Oops, this is very I think I'm just going to go with like this one. There you go. There, I found a font. Anyways, I am just going to change the color of the text as well here to like this green color. Then I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to scroll down to comic, and then I'm going to just simply add this retro cartoon one on top, and as you can see it creates this like very cool kind of fuzz texture on it. As you can see, if you zoomed in a little bit, maybe I should type in something else. So let's just go back here and type in spooky, and if I just enlarge this, as you can see there will be some textures on it. And then I'm just going to add in like a background real quick, like this one, and actually put it away so I can add in a canvas here. But this is totally up to you if you want to do that. Maybe like not that one. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!